It is raining outside and hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemonade melon playground. I need to turn off the wind first. And in the coordinates. First, grab an apple. And then spin it around in the water and to sink it because the water pool is fixed. So let's try it. It works. Once it turns yellow, quickly heat it. And then drag it out of the water. And then do not include any debris. Next, grab a plastic plate. Grab two of them. And use, resize it. Resize it. Disable outline. Change the color to brown just like me. It will be better when it doesn't have a stem. Attach the stem to the apple using a bracing that I knew last video. And then for you to make the leaves change the color to green. Disable outline. Resize it just like in the video. And set the rotation to 315. And then attach it to the stem and apple. For it to look like a lemon with the stem. Tie ropes and you're done. Save it if you want. Save imitation lemon. And you're done. Just try my new NPCs like pineapple or pear, banana and orange. See you soon. It's already lags because I already spawned up to 5 NPCs. Why is the pineapple head shaking?